as we walk around Kirstenbosch Gardens, and boy oh boy did we have fun. Just being surrounded by family, good food, good weather, beautiful scenery, and walking barefoot just to embrace everything was magical. We had such a lot of fun walking around, seeing dinosaurs, even almost falling. But at the end of the day, it was so much fun just looking at all of the beautiful nature. Marlon and Bella just chilling, looking at scenery, and even decide we're going to walk to the Boomslang magical, famous pathway. As we went, we even got lost. We finally arrived and it was shaking. Some of us felt so nauseous, but it was absolutely worth it. Just looking at the views, seeing how magical Cape Town is, was truly a pleasure and a joy. Then finally walking back, Bella even chasing after the little ducks, which was funny, sitting down and having something to eat. Couples walk as usual, which was so nice. And then finally just looking at our beautiful Cape Town. Nothing better than this. The highlight of today was definitely seeing our kids swim in the streams and just embracing nature, having a good old laugh, being surrounded by family, eating good pies and samosa cheese, and just having a good old day. This was our day at Kirstenbosch Gardens. But for now, I highly recommend Kirstenbosch Gardens.